We're asked to calculate the densities of gases at standard temperature and pressure. On the periodic table, we're given molar mass information. Molar mass has units of grams per mole. We can use this information and convert it to density. Density is the ratio of mass over volume. Mass can have units of grams and volume can have units of liters. So grams per liter is a unit of density. So we want a conversion factor that will keep grams on the top, but change moles into liters. So the conversion factor we'll use is the molar volume, where 1 mole is equal to 22.4 liters. And if you have it set up this way, the moles will cancel out and we'll be left with liters on the bottom. So that's how we're going to do all these problems. Get the molar mass, use the molar volume, end up with density. All right, so let's start with part A. We need the molar volume for propane. Propane has 3 carbons. Carbon has a molar mass of 12.01. That's going to give us 36.03. Propane also has 8 hydrogens. Hydrogen has a molar mass of 1.008. That's going to give us 8.064. Let's add these up. So propane has a molar mass of 44.09 grams per mole. So now we're going to use the molar volume, and we need to put moles on the top to cancel out the moles on the bottom, is equal to 22.4 liters. So let's get all our answers to 3 significant figures, because that's how many we have in our molar volume. 1.97. Grams per liter is the density of propane. Next, oxygen is a diatomic element, so the chemical formula for oxygen is O2. So we'll take the molar mass for oxygen, which is 16, and we have 2 of them. So that's going to give us 32. Grams per mole is the molar mass for oxygen. We'll use the molar volume to cancel out the moles on the bottom and end up with liters. .43. Grams per liter is the density of oxygen gas at STP. Next, neon. So we just get the molar mass from the periodic table is 20.18. Grams per mole is the molar mass for neon. And at 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atmosphere of pressure, so it's 0.901 grams per liter is the density of neon gas. And then finally, nitrogen dioxide, the chemical formula for that is NO2. So nitrogen has a molar mass of 14.01, and we're going to add that to the 2 oxygens, which has a molar mass of 32.0. Let's add them up. So the molar mass for nitrogen dioxide is 46.01. Grams per mole. So nitrogen dioxide has a density of 2.05 grams per liter.